Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing Artios artistic watercolor paper. I bought it from Flipkart and it is quite affordable for anyone. It costed me around some 220 rupees and it is 300 GSM paper, which is pretty good for watercolor, and it contains 24 sheets. It's quite impressive. I can take it long way from here. The paper quality is also good. Overall, I can rate is like good for 220 rupees. So today, let's sketch and do a loose painting of one storefront. So first, I am trying to do a quick sketch of the picture. So the quick sketch, like just outlining with the pencil, and then I'm going to block the colors of the pictures, whatever I can see. It depends on percent to percent. So I'm just outlining the colors and blocking the colors, major colors, so that it'll give a first layer to my painting. And I see the reference photo on and off because it gives me a clear picture of what I should paint and the major colors and many things. So here I am using a fine liner. This is a waterproof sketch or fine line pen you can use. I'm using this basically a CD DVD marker, which is waterproof. You can use ball pen as well. And then I'm just trying to sketch out the details, the basic details first. It's not important to sketch and draw it as it is, or like what you see in the picture. It's just giving the essence of what you paint, right? And going with the flow. And let's just keep it loose, because whenever you're trying to paint the trees or whatever it is, keeping it loose in painting or sketching however you want will give you more comfort, and you feel like painting it once again. And once after doing the rough sketch of the detailings, I'm going to do again watercolor highlights, just trying to bring more definition to the painting, like how I'm trying to paint the black borders for the store, and just trying to give a little bit of dimension to the windows and the areas where I see a darker color composition. So if you haven't tried loose sketching technique or loose painting, I suggest you to give it a try, because it is really good. Like how you need not worry about the details and just trying to replicate the picture, because it has most of the details and things which you can go in your own flow. Just that will get the basic proportions correct, and then you can play with the colors and play with the proportions. So this kind of loose sketching and loose painting techniques gives more fun while we're doing. And for watercolor, it's amazing. If you haven't tried watercolor, then this is the one. Perfect loose painting and loose sketching is the one you'll have to try with watercolors, because watercolor is always playful. You need not stick with the pigments, and it gives more fun than the others. Now I'm just trying to highlight some more and giving the contrast to the painting, like that the lights and shadows are coming. I'm trying to do that. I'm not saying I'm perfect, but I'm just trying to bring that lights and shadows to the picture. At this stage, I was not really happy with my painting, but yeah, we'll have to do it, because the end result is not what we aim while doing painting. It's always about the process. It took me like an hour to complete this contrasting. I thought I should have used more water to the picture, but yeah, I didn't use it. Next time, probably I'll use more water. Assuming that this watercolor paper I should have used, but we'll try and use more water in the next painting we do. So this is a pretty cool storefront and it gives nice visuals, right? So just trying to block some more contrasting colors, and then we'll do some block letters for this cafe. And this is Sunday morning. So this is a cafe which I found the reference from Pinterest again. I'm trying to add the shadows and lights wherever possible. It's for getting the image better vision. So just trying to sketch in places where there are like little bit of watercolor dots, highlighting the picture there. And then the cafe name is Sunday Morning, so I'm going to sketch that away. First I did a pencil sketch because I don't want to risk on letters or the spacing between the letters, so I did that first, and then I'm sketching it with the fine tip pen. Hope that works. So here's the final finished picture of the painting. Hope you liked the video. Hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, guys.